Hello dear Pisces, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general reading for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime, and this is a reading from today till the 21st of October. So Pisces, let's start. Your partner's current energy right now is Pisces. Your partner's current energy right now is World. I feel like your partner is feeling like a cycle is completed between you and them, and now they are just trying to go to another direction because the cycle is completed and they just want to break the circle. And I feel like they are feeling like the relationship is over, yet there is something that is unfinished. Although they are feeling like the ending is here, but they feel like this is not the end. They are not feeling like this is the end, Pisces. Okay, this is their current energy. Let me clarify the world in their current energy. Three of Cups and the Six of Wands and the Devil card. Okay, I feel like they are, what is happening here in their current energies, they are ending some kind of connection with somebody and they are celebrating some kind of connection with somebody else. This is what is happening. One cycle is completed with one person. There is energy of, this is the Three of Cups and this is the Devil and this is the Six of Wands. This is definitely a third party situation here, Pisces. So they are ending things with one party and they are starting things or celebrating things with the another party. Although this is the Devil energy, Capricorn energies here, the Devil is telling me that they are just might be they are just having a reconciliation with somebody from the past, or they are just right now they are just celebrating a connection with somebody else, but that connection is toxic, that connection is not healthy, that connection is not as good as they feel like it is. So there is certain kind of ending from their side of to one connection or to one partnership, and they are moving towards another partnership with lots of hopes and happiness and positivity, but that connection is not that much happy, or that partnership is not that much happy or happening. There's no positivity there, there's toxicity and negativity for sure. Okay, so let's see what is your current energy, Pisces. Your current energy right now is Nine of Pentacles. You are trying your best to look good, to be self-independent and work on your money, your business, your job, everything about you. This is your current energy. You are focusing on the money part, your own growth, your self-growth, your independence in every which way is possible. So in every way possible, you just want self-independence and you are just growing. You are just growing and glowing. Okay, I hope, yeah. Nine of Pentacles is your current energy. Let me clarify. Queen of Swords and Two of Swords and the Four of Swords. I feel like you have taken a certain kind of decision that you are going to cut out all the negativity and toxicity from your environment. Although you are on the crossroads from a very long time, still you are on the crossroads, not able to decide what should I do, but you are taking a break. You are taking a break, you are meditating, you are analyzing, you are using just your mind, and you are just leaving your heart anywhere else, somewhere else, and you are just using your mind, and your mind and your brain is telling you to focus on the money part, on the business part, and on the job part, and your looks and financial independence, everything about you. Okay, this is your current energy. You are just cutting out all the toxicity and negativity. You are just being very honest, or sometimes rude as well, you can say. You were on the crossroads from very long time. You still are on the crossroad, but not that much as in the past. And now you're meditating and contemplating and trying to exactly figure out what you want to do. And this is mind. Your mind is here rather than your heart, and your heart is not playing any kind of role in this decision that you are taking, that you want to focus on the business or money, on your finances, or on your growth. Okay, this situation, nice energy, good energy, because you're listening to your mind only right now. You have closed off your heart completely. Let me see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Page of Pentacles. They feel like they should connect with you. They feel like they should give you some kind of offer, or they should communicate with you. They feel like they should They feel like you should just open the gates of communication for them, because they want to start the conversation with you, start the relationship or friendship with you, I can say, I must say, not the relationship. Let me clarify the Page of Pentacles as their feelings for you. Page of Wands and the Three of Wands and the Wheel of Fortune. They feel like they should connect with you on a friendship level. They feel like you should just wait for the right time, or you should just wait and give this friendship another chance, give this connection another chance to start from scratch. And they just want you to go with the flow. They just feel like you both should go with the flow in this particular friendship kind of connection, friendship you can say, because this person is deeply feeling like connecting with you, communicating with you, have conversation with you, and talk about you and talk about them. And just they feel like you should just go with the flow in this certain situation. They don't feel like having any kind of commitment or serious relationship with you, but yes, they do feel they should communicate with you, and they feel like you should just wait, even though they feel like you are turning your back towards this connection, or towards this relationship. They feel like you should just wait and hold on and just see where this friendship is going, and just go with the flow, and just go with the flow where the universe is telling you to go. They feel like this for you. Okay, they feel like you should just open up and start this connection with them from scratch, from a friendship level. This is what they feel for you. Let me see what this person wants from you. Three of Cups, reconciliation. This is what they want. They want to have a reconciliation with you. Three of Cups energies of reconciliation, participation, dancing, and celebrating something. They want to reconcile with you and start this connection with you and celebrate life with you. This is what they want from you. Let me clarify the Three of Cups as what they want from you. Ace of Pentacles, the Five of Cups, and the King of Wands. They want to have a reconciliation with you because they want to have a restart in this connection with you again, and they are lost without you. They are regretting what they did with you. They are feeling lost without you. They are feeling depressed and sad. They are missing you very badly, and they feel like highly passionate. You can say a highly passionate energy. They feel like they can take the risk of their life with you. They should take the risk with you, and they should just reconcile with you and see where it is going. Okay, this is what they want from you. They want to have a start, they want to have a reconciliation, and this reconciliation is clarified by the Ace of Pentacles. This is definitely an offer coming towards you, a friendship or relationship, I don't know, but this person want to have a reconciliation with you because they are deeply sad without you. They can't imagine life without you. They are feeling some kind of loss. They are regretting what they did. Okay, and they feel like they can take the risk. They are ready to take the risk with you because they are highly passionate right now. King of Wands is somebody who's ready to take the risk, even though they know that might be this thing is not going to work out, but they are very passionate, and that's why they are just ready to take the risk. This is what they want from you. Reconciliation. And why they want reconciliation? Because they are deeply sad and they are regretting what they did with you, and they are just feeling like you are the one for them, and they are ready to take the risk again, I'm telling you. Cool. Pisces, let's see what is coming towards you till the 21st of October. The Hanged Man, stuck energy. I don't see a movement in this connection from your side or from them, their side, or from any one of you. The Hanged Man is typically a spiritual awakening as well. Might be you are going through some kind of spiritual awakening, or might be you are going through some kind of, because you are shifting your focus on the money and business part. So might be you are going through some kind of spiritual awakening. You are meditating or taking a help of any kind of spiritual guru, or doing some kind of stuff that is changing your view towards the world, towards the universe. And emotionally, this is stuck energy. This is not going anywhere. This is going to be the same as it is till the 21st of October. Your connection is going to be the same with the person as it was in the recent past. I don't see much changes here. Let me clarify the Hanged Man, Knight of Cups, and the Empress, and the Tower. You are in the Empress mode right now. You are in the Nine of Pentacles mode right now. Although I feel like you have emotions for this particular connection or particular person, you are choosing to stay single. You are choosing to stay away from this connection, and you are choosing to break up. Might be you guys break up in the recent past and you are just still standing your ground, still in this energy of I don't want to talk to you, or I don't want to have a reconciliation or restart because I am the empress here. I feel like you are loving yourself more than this person right now. Okay, this is your energy only. This is what is coming towards you because this is your energy. I can feel like this is your energy intuitively. It could be them as well, but for most of you, I feel like this is you. You are carrying lots of love for this connection, but this love, I can see that you are carrying this love for yourself, and you are breaking everything that is not working out for you. You are breaking everything that was falling apart. You are just breaking all the rules, all the negativity, all the toxicity, and you are just trying to see the world with new light, with new view, with new perspective. Although I cannot see any kind of improvement in the relationship, but I can see that you are growing spiritually, you are growing financially, you are growing, and you are glowing. This is beautiful, Pisces. This is beautiful. So thank you so much, Pisces, for connecting with me. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.